Hey guys, just got off work today. It's a little cold outside, but man, I just been inside too long, sitting around, lazy. So I thought, what do I have outside that I could get done today? So, well, I can't get it done today, but I can get started on it. Let me show you what project I got coming up. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. This right here is currently the antenna for inside our house. We put this up when we first moved in. Actually, we had it on this pole back whenever it was out, when we had the camper out on the pad when we was building the house. But anybody who has an RV or a travel trailer might say that it looks kind of familiar. That's because it's an RV antenna. It's not a house antenna. So I've purchased a new antenna for the house, and I'm going to have to get way up there to install it. But first, I got to put it together, take a look at it, and see what else is going to be required to get it going. But yeah, that's the next project. All right, so I got online, probably Amazon, and so this is the one I bought. Don't really know why I bought it. I did watch a few videos looking up different antennas, ranges. Do believe this is a 70 mile antenna, supposedly, which is more than far enough where we're from. We are not that far from the large metropolitan city, and in the other direction, neither one more than 30 miles at the most. So, and that's as the crow flies. And this time I'm actually mounting it up high on top of the roof, so I've got a lot more line of sight over the top of the trees rather than being at ground level. But it comes with assembly required. So I'm gonna sit out here on the picnic table. It's a little cold, but at least I'm outside. And yeah, I'm gonna put it together. All right, so I'm going to remove the RV one for now. I'm going to go ahead and install the new one out here just to make sure that everything's okay with it before I get up there and get it high up in the air and find out it don't work, and then that'll just be a bad situation. So let's see what I got here, get the right screws. Let's get this old one off. I think that screw was overkill. Yeah.
We're gonna be able to watch TV?
All right, let's get this new one installed. I don't have a screw to pre-drill, so. That'll work. It's just temporary anyway. Two of them will do it for now. Let me get the antenna hooked up here. Lean it back a little bit.
That thing looks like you're trying to contact outer space. E.T. from home.
All right. So we'll test her out like this inside the house before we go up on the roof, and everything's good. Then we'll be ready to mount her up later on. It's too wet right now for me to put a ladder on the ground and get up on the roof, so I'll have to wait till it dries out a little bit. Maybe I'll be able to get to it this weekend. So yeah, we'll see. Well, I came inside and checked the quality of the pictures just to make sure it got, and it is a nice picture. It is very vivid and very crisp. We could immediately see it. I think this is a 4K TV, and I think we just didn't have that capability with the other TV, the other antenna. So yeah, this so far this antenna, she's looking good. Don't know whether it's going to pick up more channels. I'm going to do a channel search, find out how many channels it gets here, and then after I get it up on the roof, I'll do a channel search again after we get it rehooked up again, and we'll see how many, see if we get any more stations. I mean, we catch about everything that's in this local area here, but there are some PBS channels that that get into that are hard to pick up. So maybe we'll be able to pick some of those up. So yeah, so far, she looks good.